spiritually, physically, you don't know who that woman is. You see that other threats where you make, you can't do like this out of it. You can't do like this. The only person that can stop Lizzy is God. And IYABO OJO is responsible for this demon she's created in Lizzy. IYABO OJO should be held responsible for that. Lizzy was never like this, if all of you will be truthful. Lizzy was never like this. IYABO OJO and her cohorts turned Lizzy to this diabolical genius wizard that she has become.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, arábìnrin yìí ó ti jáde wá sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ọ̀rọ̀ Dayo Amusa àti Lizzy Anjorin. Ó ní wípé ó ní Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ló fa gbogbo ẹ̀. Ó sì sọ wípé Dayo Amusa wípé kó má ṣe tẹ́rí sí Lizzy Anjorin. Ó ní tó bá tẹ́rí sí yóò pa lórí, ó ní yóò nápa ni. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí? A rò pé ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ti tán ni. A ò mọ̀ pé ọ̀rọ̀ pọ̀ nínú ìwé kọ́bọ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ èyí tó kù.
IYABO OJO and her cohorts should be held accountable for that. Let's move on to you, Dayo Amusa. Just to trend. Let's not forget. The mission here for Dayo Amusa is to trend. You told musician, warriors, teba wa fun wa, ama wa fun o. Warriors, what wa fun yin? And I was disappointed in IYABO OJO. IYABO OJO, you should have just walked away from that place. The moment that musician started doing that thing, you should have walked away. What are you trending for? Those celebrities that came to your party are enough to post your party. And you would have had your beautiful moment. This woman, Dayo Amusa, doing this birthday party, I am very sure she wanted to trend at all costs. And that was why she told that musician, you have to pull the strings of Lizzy Anjorin because I know I will get a cheap trend. And so she decided that this musician is going to pull at the strings of Lizzy Anjorin, knowing fully well that Lizzy will give them the cheap trend that they want nationally. They want to trend nationwide. Over the well-being of the only child you said you have. You put hair, I am Matanga hair for head. You don't wear lemon green gown, hot afternoon. You want to trend. I see emptiness in these women. I see lack of purpose. You are not heading anywhere. You don't know what it means to protect your children, your family. This child is the only child I have. This child is the only child I have. I have been looking for a child for a long time. God finally gave me one. What do? You put them for sacrificial table. You put them for sacrificial table. These women want to trend with nothing. Mediocres, they want to trend in your mediocrity. You are not a role model. What are you trending for? We don't want to be like you. All of you, if you refuse to respect yourself, if you refuse, we will continue to call out your BS every time. Oh, allegedly.